Hey guys, it's me, Lily. So this is my first vlog, but I don't know how I'm going to edit this. I'm gonna have to get some apps, but it is Easter and my room's dark because I don't like to have my lights on that much. But it's like raining outside. It was thundering earlier. We're gonna do an Easter egg hunt, but since it was raining, we have to do it inside instead of outside. So they're upstairs putting the eggs up, but I'm in my room. My room's downstairs. But I'm gonna show you guys how it's like. Okay, so actually never had the Easter eggs.
I'm kidding.
Are you serious? I'm vlogging. I'm starting to. But anyway. So I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, but I'm going back into my room. But Ty's picked me. He said that the Easter eggs were done, but they were not. And I don't know if you guys could see the rain outside, but it was raining. Anyway, oh gosh. Okay, so I'm in my room. The Easter bunny gave us basket. My mom she took them, and then after church she filled them up in. This is like candy grass. It's weird.
I can't smell your fear over all that perfume. Be perfectly perfect. Vote for Amelia. A vote for Amelia is a vote for Amelia.
It's not that great, but I'm still gonna eat it.
No.
Right now, TV's on if you could hear it. But I need to get Henry out soon.
Never stop.
So I vlog on my phone, so it's not like really the best quality. Yeah, I got hair. Yeah, but I vlog on my phone, so I'm gonna show you. Yeah, so I vlog like this because I don't want to flip the camera around because I want to see how it is. But I have a pop socket, which makes it so much easier. But I'm gonna get Henry out.
I'm beautiful, Frankie, now. Look at all these free samples I got. Get your own. Okay, pretty lovers, your votes have been counted, and the winner of the Golden Power.
Okay, so I'm trying to find him. I can see you. Woo! Got it. Here he is. Okay, so I guess the camera is upside down. I got him. Here you go. Sorry I keep flipping the camera, but this is Henry. Hi, Henry. He's cute. Yeah, this is what he looks like. He's very cute. Oh God, he just pooped. Okay. Ew. That's gross. Okay. Anyway. Okay, but I just put him up because he pooped. So I put him up. Well, I filled with stuff. But like, I got my Easter basket. That's what it looks like. It's like broken. It says princess because I had this ever since I was a little baby. And we always keep the basket like it's a tradition, I guess. Since we were babies, so. Okay, so I just turned on my TV, but like this is my basket. Yeah. Excuse me. But I got this Skittles egg. I'm gonna get my jelly beans. I just remembered that my jelly beans are actually in here. I thought they were over by my desk, but they're not. Woo, this lighting is bad. My bedroom, it's bedroom lighting. I need to fix my shirt. Okay, there you go. Oh, okay, I guess that's better. I'm wearing leggings because like it's cold inside. So I decided to, this is what they look like. These are like the jelly beans. I want to try the yellow flavor. Oh goodness. Lemon. It's good. These are strawberry flavor. It's good. Like, so I'm gonna pause it and then like turn off my phone. But I don't know if it'll restart a new video, so that's what I'm scared of. So I'm not gonna do that, but right now I'm eating a bunny. They're still doing the Easter egg thing. So this is an eraser. I think it's cool. Yeah, I just saw it.
Probably wondering why we're standing around in beekeeper outfits in front of a football goalpost.
At this point, I've really stopped asking questions.
To become
Okay, I have no clue what rubber eggs are, but it says like Whopper, and I don't like the Whopper.
to enter into the covenant of mass
I don't know,
you must pass the following test.
but
Kick a field goal through the
they're taking a while, so
beehive.
I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Not to make a fake beehive to test someone's courage.
But
Nice
I think I'm gonna ride my hoverboard around. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do. Okay, so I'm on my hoverboard right now. If you can see, but I'm on my hoverboard right now. So I'm gonna go outside because I think my brother is on his. Yeah. That was not bad.